Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by past. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equal to the s. dv we have e to the power of 4s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of 4s over number 4. Next, we have u multiplied by v. So we have se to the power of 4s over number 4 minus we have the u multiplied by v. So I will put 1 over 4 in here. And later that we put the integration e to the power of 4s ds. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of 4s over number 4, and I will put about c. So this one, we have e to the power of 4s over number 16, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.